Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am so happy that you clicked on this video because it's gonna be our third episode of the Ramadan Diaries and I'm really enjoying filming these. It keeps me productive all day. और आज भी I'm making something iftar के बाद के लिए, but उसके I'm so excited. But right now I'm gonna help my mom make the iftar, so let's go. And इसके अलावा I have client meetings and some meetings with other people for the tuition purposes as well, so we have a lot to do. Let's do it. It's Saturday and I'm so happy it's Saturday because आज मेरे पास time है. I just finished praying. Now I'm just gonna put some eye drops in and see the video that I have to upload today. Then I'm gonna go make the recipe. I'm making the pizza toasties. I got the recipe from Pinterest, of course, and I'll try to film it as well. I finished rewatching the YouTube video. It's complete and it's ready for upload. I'm gonna upload it after iftar raat mein, and I also prayed. I have this hoodie on, but my hands are so itchy. I cannot put like the sleeves down for some reason. Anyways, I'm just gonna write down the recipe and go make it. On a fresh new plate, I'm gonna take some corn and some chicken fries. I'm taking 5 chicken fries and putting it on little amount of oil on the frying pan. I took out the corn and I have the chicken fries on the fryer in the frying pan, and now we're just gonna have iftari because 10 minute reh gaye. So I'm gonna show you guys some of the iftari preps. Uske baad I'm gonna make like my pizza toasty. Iftar is done and now Sky is eating his food, so please ignore the background noises. I'm just gonna have some tea and I haven't made my food yet, like the snack that I was making, my dinner. I didn't make that yet. That's only because I am expecting some people right now. There is this meeting I have with them, so maybe it's gonna happen right now or tomorrow. इसके अलावा I was just talking with some nail clients, तो उनके लिए भी I have to go and get like some nails, तो वो भी अभी जाना है मुझे. I'll go 8 बजे तक. So right now I'm just gonna have my tea and watch this Thai drama. It's flawless, so that's the deal. I have to do quite a lot. Let's see how it goes. I'll update you guys. I'm just gonna go and see if I can find some nail pairs because I have a client कल या परसों, तो उसके लिए मुझे nails arrange करने हैं. So let's go find some nails. I got what I wanted. I got 3 pair of nails. I am back. It's 9:20. It took me 30 minutes, but I came home with, of course, wasting my money. मतलब लाइक मुझे ज़रूरत नहीं थी, अपने लिए नहीं चाहिए था मुझे, लेकिन मैंने आप लोगों को कहा था ना मैं ले लूँगी. तो why am I like this? And I have so many new pairs of nails, पर फिर भी. Anyways, the client wanted this style, so 2 of my clients need this. So for her, ये of course मैंने extra लिए because पैक में आते ही थे. 2 for myself. This cheetah print. Oh my goodness. Okay, now it is the leopard print, sorry. दिस इज़ सो कूल। मतलब मुझे बहुत पसंद है ये। मेरे पास एक ही लेपर्ड प्रिंट था पिंक में, मगर वो बिल्कुल ख़राब हो चुका है अब। सो आई वांटेड न्यू, और मैं लगाती हूँ नहीं। सो दिस इज़ द लेंथ दैट आई नीड। इसके अलावा लास्टली दिस इज़ गोना बी द लॉन्गेस्ट दैट आई एवर वेंट। This I saw like a really good friend of mine wearing this for Eid, मतलब white color के. She wore those and I fell in love. तो it's maybe 2 years ago, but I saw these और मुझे बहुत पसंद आया. I don't know where I'll wear these, maybe for some content videos, because definitely not for a whole month. जिससे मुझे यूनिवर्सिटी जाना था, never for that. I don't know, अगर मैं पहन के जा रही हुई तो I would be stupid. Okay, call me stupid. No, don't call me stupid. I'll just see. Okay, now. Before the gas goes, I have to prepare my dish. Let's go. Well, you guys, my pizza toasty is completed. Look at that. But now let's just prepare some orange juice. I love orange juice so much. I can have it literally every single day, and I have heard that it is beneficial as well. So yes, I'm gonna have some orange juice. Moment of truth. You guys, this looks so good. Let's have a bite. This is so good. I am so happy that I got everything done today. Today was a really productive day. And yes, now I'm just gonna go enjoy my dinner, watch Are You Human on Netflix, have my drink, and I have been editing so much, and I'm just gonna have some food now, and I'm also gonna have some flavored milk and end the night here. Good morning, you all. I am all set to take the client. Yee. I had 2 clients, and both of my clients wanted maroon beautiful square nails. Side note, I made the maroon by adding green first. Good morning. It is 10:33 a.m. I woke up at 8:20 a.m. I had a client. I actually had 2 clients, and alhamdulillah, they were satisfied. I'm so happy. It's always such a good feeling when the client loves the thing that I do for them. Well, I am so happy that my work got done. There were 2 clients. They both wanted like maroon nails. So I did those for them. They were satisfied. That's all I wanted. Other than that, I woke up at 8:20 last night. Before Sehri, I cleaned up my entire space, did the dusting, mopping, and the floors, everything. Did the floors again. I did some more cleaning. I organized like my hanging clothes wali jagah, and did some room freshener and all of that sort. But yes, now I am done. I started their work at 9. It's currently 10:38 a.m. so it took me 1.5 hours. But yes, now I'm done. I'm just going to watch something maybe. You guys, it is later that day. It's almost 12 a.m. and now I'm finally free. I'm still gonna do some editing, but I'm gonna rest. I have been editing crazy all day. Plus the clients, I have been awake since 8:20 a.m. and look at the time. But yes, now I'm finally gonna go to sleep after a little while, and I'm so happy. It's been a few days since I filmed, but I'm here today because I'm meeting some people for my work. So let's see how that goes. I just got done teaching my student, and I was also talking with some clients for some nail deals because Eid is coming. So I'm really excited for the Eid season because it's going to be my first season doing all of this studio work. So let's see how that goes. You guys will be seeing everything, inshallah. But yes, let's see how the meeting goes. It's basically related to me teaching a very higher studies students. I've done similar cases, but this one is a little different. So let's see how this goes. ऐसा हो रहा है कि हम लोग की कल मीटिंग होगी या late at night today, but अभी तो मैं अपनी अम्मा के साथ मार्केट जा रही हूँ. So let's go. We decided to take a walk. First, my mother had to go visit the tailor. She had to pick up her clothes and my sister's clothes. So we went to the tailor first, and then we went to the mart, and I got some snacks. Like literally, I love drinks and snacks so much. Like I can never get over them. Like okay, you guys, I am back home, but please ignore the background noises. I cannot do anything about it. Okay, I actually went to get French tips for a client. I had to find those. तो वो मैंने ढूंढ ली हैं somehow. This client wanted the nail kit, so I arranged it. मतलब these are the nails that I got for her. These are so pretty. I really love. It comes with I believe 24. Okay. अच्छा मैंने काउंट नहीं किए हुए, मुझे बस थोड़े बहुत दिख रहे हैं. I think it's 24, so that's quite a lot. And जो किट मैंने बनाई थी वो इस तरह की है. ये चीज़ें होती हैं. इट कम्स विद लाइक नेल स्टिकर शीट, काफ़ी सारे उसमें होते हैं. आई बिलीव 24 होते हैं ये भी. और अल्कोहल स्वैब, नेल फाइलर एंड क्यूटिकल पुशर. सो ये चीज़ें. एंड ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता कि मैं जाऊँ और मैं अपने लिए ना लेके आऊँ. लिटरली आई गॉट सो मैनी नेल्स अभी. और अभी बिल्कुल कुछ दिनों पहले मैं गई हूँ, मैं लेके आई बिकॉज एक क्लाइंट को चाहिए थे मैरून नेल्स, जिसके मैंने करे भी थे. लाइक मुझे बिल्कुल ज़रूरत नहीं थी, मगर आई फाउंड सच अ क्यूट पेयर. आई वॉज डाइंग. लेट मी शो यू. आर यू गाइस रेडी? Okay, let me open it and show it to you. It is absolutely insane. Like, how did I? My goodness, this is insane. This is so okay. It comes with this. Always look at this set, you guys. It is unbelievable. I have nothing like this, and it looks so much like the acrylics. And this oval shape I really love. I was just make the oval shape today as well because मेरे clients को कुछ को चाहिए ओवल नेल्स. आई वाज लाइक लेट्स जस्ट लर्न. खुद के तो मैं कर लेती हूँ, लेकिन इट्स डिफरेंट व्हेन यू आर डूइंग इट ऑन समवन एल्स. एंड ओ माय गुडनेस, लेट मी ओपन. आई कैन नॉट वेट. गेट लाइक समथिंग फॉर माय सेल्फ. ओके, दिस इज सच गुड क्वालिटी. ओके, लुक. ओ माय गॉड, दीज आर सो क्यूट. लाइक स्मॉल मतलब नेल्स. मुझे बहुत मूड स्विंग्स होते हैं व्हेन इट कम्स टू नेल्स, सीरियसली. लाइक यू गाइज. ओके, look at this design. I have nothing. Do they not look like acrylics? Like, tell me. Like, बिल्कुल अच्छे से लगेंगे भी. My goodness, these are so cute. And this design actually, मुझे ये वाला डिज़ाइन चाहिए था. मैं जेम्स वाले बहुत यूज़ करती हूँ, ग्लिटर्स वाले, क्लियर वाले. स्पेसिफिकली ना बहुत ज़्यादा मैं जेम्स वाले यूज़ करती हूँ, मगर इस तरह के नहीं करती. और क्योंकि मिले नहीं थे मुझे. So it's so cool. Last thing that I got was this beautiful ring. मतलब this is beautiful. Wait, look at this. So pretty. So yeah, that was it for the little haul. I had so much fun shopping. But now the meeting is being held again. जो लोगों ने आना था वो आ रहे हैं फिर से. और it's 9:51 p.m. तो I think 10 बजे तक वो आ जाएंगे. I'll just meet them and see what I do. Hello everyone. It is the next day and it's almost 4:30 p.m. I am not feeling well today. I didn't even go to my university. Yeah, I've just not been feeling well. But today I feel like making something again. So I'm gonna try making the famous trendy onion boil. But first, let me just go pray. I'll be right back. The recipe is written. I'm gonna start off by taking one big brown onion and cleaning it. I don't know what this tool is called, but my mother gave it to me and I used it to make a gap in the onion so I can put the sauce and the mixture inside of it. Taking a foiling paper and I put the onion on top of it. It's finally time to add the spices. I'm gonna start by adding some garlic powder, salt and some black pepper in it. Side note, this is my favorite topping on pizzas as well, like the chilies. After adding the red chili peppers, I melted some butter and poured it inside of the gap that we made in the onion. Then I added some more red chili peppers because I love it so much. I then put some oregano on top of it and then finally folding the foiling paper. got done teaching my student, but don't ask me about the onion boil. I hardly only ate like a piece, and it's because I don't have an air fryer and my oven is not working right now. It was bad. I don't know how these people are liking it and eating it. Maybe I'm doing something wrong. It looked exactly like that, but my friend just messaged me and she said to come along with her to the market. She wants to go to the tailor and for some clothes shopping, so let's go. Got back home and I took a day off from university, as I told you, because I wasn't feeling well, but now I'm feeling great, alhamdulillah. You know, made this day productive for some reason. मतलब मैं चाहती थी मैं rest कर लेती, मगर because my friend also called, I was like let's just get up. She gave me the motivation and I was like let's just go. बहुत ज़्यादा हमने काम किया, बहुत ज़्यादा काम हो भी गया, और I think 3 hours लगे हमें total, but मैंने भी अपने लिए कुछ ले ही लिया. I got 2 snacks. मैंने ये 2 चीज़ें, ये तो it's like the no lace no game. मुझे ये वाला फ्लेवर चाहिए था, ये इसी में था. I was like let's just take this. Then I was finding mogo मगर वो नहीं मिला, मगर ये मिल गया. It's new. मैंने ये भी ट्राई किया हुआ लेकिन दूसरे फ्लेवर में, मेरी बहन ने कराया हुआ मुझे ट्राई, मगर it's like the grape, पता नहीं ये भी किया हो शायद, मुझे याद नहीं है. So I got this. It looks so good. अभी मैं उसको फ्रिज में रख के पीऊँगी. मेरे गले ख़राब हुए हुए हैं, मगर can I care? But I should care because मेरे शदीद तबीयत ख़राब हो जाती है उसके बाद. Anyways, I got this. Guys, अभी मैं जैसे इसकी बात करी ना खाने पीने की, मेरा इतना दिल दुख रहा है कि मैंने अनियन बॉयल बनाया, वो अच्छा नहीं बना. I got this skincare product. It's the Himani Live Natural Expert Hydra Fresh Hyaluronic Acid. It's the foaming face wash. It's so cool. You press this maybe, and I think yes, you press this and it comes out, and of course you're gonna do this. I've seen this everywhere. Okay, I wanted to try this. I was also looking at hyaluronic serums, मगर मैंने कहा कि अभी एक ही चीज़ ले लेती हूँ because वो बहुत एक्सपेंसिव भी थे. Okay, so I am breaking out these days. यहाँ पे, यहाँ और यहाँ. अगर अभी एक्टिव एक्नी तो नहीं है, ख़त्म हो चुकी है, मगर अभी उसके स्कार्स रह गए, तो वैसे let's just focus on the skin. Another thing is that I took very heavy medication. I got really sick, like I had so much fever and sore throat, so I got really sick in December. It's been 3 months, मगर still अभी तक उसकी heavy medication का effect है, तो उसकी वजह से बहुत ज़्यादा breakouts हुए थे मुझे. Anyways, I'm gonna try this, और we'll see कि किस तरह का इसका है. In another video, we are going to be ending this vlog here. I really enjoyed filming this one. Thank you so much for watching, and if you liked this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye.